Good evening and welcome back to the 24H Trader YouTube channel. And for today's educational content, we will discuss about institutional candle, or what I call IC, institutional candle. So what is institutional candle actually? Institutional candle is actually the last bullish candle before a bearish trend, or the last bearish candle before a bullish trend. For example, this one is on the weekly time frame of the gold market. So if you can see that this last bearish candle before this huge move of the market is the institutional candle of the weekly time frame. As you can see that this is the last bearish trend before a big move of the bullish candle, and when the market pick up this area again, it will certainly bounce. So if you can see it, because since this is the weekly time frame, the beginning of the candle is the high of the candle is right, this one is at the 1744.55, and once it is bounced from this area again, it even reach this high 1914.88. So yeah, institutional candle is very important area that you need to find uh, to decide where is the strong resistance or support. This one is on the weekly time frame. Now let's move on to the daily time frame of the gold market. If you see from this bullish market, I'm sorry, for this gold market, you can see that this is the the last bullish candle before a bearish trend. And if you see even further, there is actually this last bullish candle before a bearish trend. And it is a confirmed institutional candle because there is a break of structure right here. There's a break of structure just about right here. That this move, the market move and broken this structure, broke this structure. You can see it clearly that the market punched from this area, and then this bearish move, this big bearish move, broke this structure, broke this previous uh, support, and then the market just keep going down. In this area is peaked somewhere about here. Let me just delete this first. Okay, so this area of the institutional candle has been picked right here, and the market fell. So yes, it is a very strong area, strong resistance area from the institutional candle. So you can always wait for the market to pick up any institutional candle on any time frames, because if it hasn't been retested, if it hasn't been picked, the market will certainly pick that area. So it's a very um, it's a very important for us to identify the right institutional candle, and your patience will tell us all that your patience will decide whether you will succeed, whether you will make profit in trading or not. So here's another example of the institutional candle. This one is the last bearish trend. This one is the last bearish candle. I'm sorry, the last bearish candle before a big bullish move. If you can see that this move also broke this structure, this highs before, and since there is a break of structure, the this is a confirmed uh, institutional candle, and the market will pick that area again. That's why the market fell and picked this area again and then bounced. You can see that the highs of this candle is at the 1788, and right now, since it is on a daily time frame, it already punches up to the highest is at the 1814. But I still believe that it will pick up this area up here. This is also a big candle, bullish candle before a bearish move of the market. So I still believe that the market will pick up this area, but to be sure, we need to check on the lower time frames. So let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame. If you can see that from this time frame, this one is the last bullish candle before a very strong bearish move, and it broke this structure right here. This structure is broken, and also this one. So this area has been broken from by this strong bearish move below. So if you can see that this area hasn't been picked, so it's a long-term swing trading. I still have my open position on this, and I will post it by the end of this video if you want to see my open position for this one. But I only aim for 1837. The take profit is at the 1837. But if you can also wait up to 1838. I think it will be picked. I'm pretty sure it will be picked. It's a long trade. Okay, so the market is currently at the 1808. So there is still time for the market to pick this area, because it's 4-hour time frame. It means one candle is the 4 hours. So yes, I still believe that the market will pick that area. And if you see also down here, there is also the last bearish move, the last bearish candle before a strong bullish move. That one day the market will pick also, because it's a confirmed institutional candle with a break of structure right there. So I'm pretty sure that the market will pick this area again somewhere in the future. Probably when the market has already been picked the upper institutional candle, then it will fall further down to pick up this institutional candle. Okay, so that is the institutional candle. If you have any question, just write down on the comment below. Just don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. One more thing that I need to tell you is that institutional candle can be found on any time frames which you prefer to trade on. Okay. For me personally, I'd like to trade on the 1-hour time frame, so I can always find a lot of institutional candle possibilities of institutional candle like this one. I break this structure. This one is an institutional candle also. So one day it will be peaked. So yeah, institutional candle can be found on any time frames, and you can still trade on it. As long as you find the institutional candle, it will give the strong support and resistance area on any time frames, So just be sure that you are aware and identify a good institutional candle, the confirmed institutional candle, so that you will trade properly. So for example, this one is the 15-minute time frame. You find this is slightly small uh, candle, bullish candle, right in the middle of this bearish move, of this bearish huge bearish move. So institutional candle is not always on the top or below. This one is also institutional candle. Once it's broken, right here, until the market reach here, this one is a confirmed institutional candle. So it means, because there is also a broken structure right here, break of structure right here. So this one is a confirmed institutional candle. All you need to do is to wait until the market reach this area again, and then it will bounce. So you can see that this market, after this uh, after the market broke this institutional candle, this support right here, then this institutional candle area becomes a resistance. So after it broke, the market picked this area again, it bounces, and then it retests the area again, failed to break it, and then it punches a little bit further. Okay, so this one is on the 5-minute time frame, so you can always uh, use institutional candle as a strong support or resistance area on any time frames on which you trade on. And once it's broken above, it will turn to be a very strong support area, and then it punches up there. So that's it for me for today's educational content. So that is the institutional candle. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And if you have any question about any knowledge about, or any information that you need to know about trading, just let me know in the comment below. Then I will post a certain video. I will make a certain videos to answer your questions. So stay tuned to our channel, the 24H Trader YouTube channel. We will post a daily trading plan on gold market. We trade on the 1 hour time frame because it doesn't require much time during the day to trade. And so if you'd like to know how to read the trading plan and how to trade based on the daily trading plan that I usually post on a daily basis, just seek the understanding the market on the 24 understanding the market playlist. There is a video that discusses about how to read the trading plan and how to trade based on the trading plan. And I wish you a good luck, and hope you can reach your financial freedom by trading. So thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.